Hello and welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's start with today's analysis. Today is Monday, January 5th, 2026. So today we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, so today important trading day. So here we can see the headline: gold jumps over 1.5% to near 4400 on US Venezuela tensions. Okay, traders will closely monitor developments surrounding the US. Okay, ISM manufacturing purchasing. Okay, later on Monday. So as you can see, traders, our event, this event, okay, ISM manufacturing PMI event, and the US Venezuela tensions. Okay, so these two factors are going to drive gold prices. Okay, so let's have a look at the fundamental overview. Headlines around US Venezuela tensions have increased geopolitical uncertainty. Reports suggest possible US intervention, pressure on Venezuelan leadership creating global reactions. Several countries have criticized US actions, raising concerns about global stability. So this is also NFP week, so volatility is already expected. Geopolitical risk plus high impact data is equal to liquidity hunts and sharp moves likely. Markets may remain headline driven. Okay, so as soon as we get any headlines, so market will act accordingly. Gold is bullish bias as long as geopolitical tension holds. USD is unstable, reactive to news and data. So what is the best approach for today? Wait for confirmation, trade levels, not emotions. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart and I will explain you all the levels. Okay, so traders, this is our previous week candle. As you can see, a bearish week, and currently we are trading in between. So let's see if the market is going to test the sellers or if the market is going to test the buyers. Okay, so all you need to do is mark this candle high and low. Okay, so mark the previous week candle high and low. So let's move on to daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. You need to mark this previous high and previous low. Okay, so mark this previous daily candle high and low. Alright traders, so let's move on to 4-hour time frame and let's on our drawing. So you can check out our yesterday weekly analysis video. So I explained you that the market is bullish and the market will be hunting this liquidity. Okay, so now how you need to trade today. So now as you can see, traders, a lot of new traders, so they end up losing their money on this level after they see a huge bullish momentum or a huge spike. So after retracement they start buying their whole quantity here. Okay traders, so you don't need to do like that. So you see, now this is, so we got a bullish momentum, so lot of traders they enter here. Okay, so now the market will be little bit sideways. Okay, so market will be accumulating after this big bullish momentum. So market will be accumulating and then the market will make its original move in the US session. Okay traders, so now we got a big impulse move in the Asian session. So now London session we need to wait. Okay, so don't end up losing your money in this manipulation area. So now how are we going to trade today? So we have a 4-hour time frame trend line. Okay, so this trend line is very important, traders. As you can see, this is the trend line that we are following. So as you can see, the daily level is liquidated. Okay, so yesterday video I told you, traders, we are going to liquidate this level. Okay, so now we have liquidated this level, but as you can see, candle did not close above our level. Okay, so now how are you going to trade today, traders? So below we have a 2-hour demand zone. Okay, and also here we have a liquidity pull, which I will show you on the smaller time frame. So as you can see, traders, here we have the buyers. Okay, we have the buyers over here. Also we have the trend line in confluence, and in confluence we have this beautiful 2-hour support level, okay, which is sitting exactly on the daily low, previous day low. Okay, traders, so now as you can see, price already made a move of almost 700 to 800 pips. Okay, traders, you can imagine 700 to 800 pips already done. Okay, so now the market will be accumulating. Okay, so market will be accumulating all the buyers and sellers, and then it will be making its original move. Okay, so after liquidating one side, it will make its original move above or below touching its demand level. Okay, so now what are the probabilities? So let's move on to smaller time frame here. So as you can see, traders, now only these sellers are available in the market. Okay, only these sellers are available in the market, and this is our all-time high and our previous week high. Okay, so all-time high plus our previous week high. So now as you can see, traders, these sellers are already liquidated. Okay, so now the market will be hunting your stop losses. Okay, so now here in this area, market will be manipulating and liquidating your entries. Okay, so now you don't need to do anything. So now London session, you need to wait like predator, and when you get an opportunity, then you need to hunt. Okay, traders, so now London session, market will be manipulating, and for the downtrend, traders, as you can see here on the 15 minutes time frame, you can draw this level right here. Okay, so you can draw this level as a confluence. So if the market is coming below, breaking these zones, okay, so then only we are expecting price until our 2-hour support. Okay, so support is near around, I'll show you exactly, 4315. Okay, traders, so then only we are expecting price until here, or else the price will be creating orders in this range, and then again the price will go boom. Okay, traders, so as you saw, geopolitical tensions are there. Okay, traders, so you trade carefully. So each and everything, whatever live updates, I will update in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description, traders. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.